Yo guys, I have some good news for you kung napanood nyo itong video na to.
Napadaan nga tayo sa Reebok Philippines to check out tong special offer nila. From March 3 to March 16, meron silang additional 40% off if you buy 2 markdown items.
Supposedly, yung promo ended last March 16, pero our friends from Reebok is extending it up until the end of the month.
So shirts, jackets, track pants, kasama yan. Of course, your favorite lifestyle shoes, your favorite performance sneakers. Whether naka 10, 20, 30, or 50% off yan. Basta makadalawa kayo, additional 40% off pa. Pati itong mga bags na nirelease parang months ago lang. Naka 10% off na yan, so additional 40% pa kung dalawa kukunin mo. So may mga backpacks na ganito, green, may blue. Mas merong mas maliit ang konti pero to gwapo, itim. And syempre, itong tote bag. Itong tote bag yung gusto ko eh. Sakto to pang araw-araw.
So ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Head over to the nearest Reebok store and take advantage of this great deal.